Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, Government of India, Shri Uday Kumar Verma ji, Shri Mohan Suresh, President FISME, Shri Jagmohan Singh, Senior Director, Lockheed Martin India, Shri Amarendra Sinha, Joint Secretary, Ministry of MSME, Government of India, Shri Satish Gotipati, Chairman, DEF Contract, FISME, Shri Bhardwaj, friends from CMDs from other corporations who are also sitting here, office bearers and colleagues from other industry associations, my colleagues Shri Ravindranath and other friends from NSIC, ladies and gentlemen, namaskar and a very good morning to you all. We are indeed privileged to have the Secretary Shri Uday Kumar Verma ji amongst us, who has been an inspiration to have this kind of exhibition in Hyderabad and also elsewhere, which basically are theme-based exhibitions. While this exhibition is one of the 6 international exhibitions which were recommended by the Prime Minister's task force last year, we started the first episode this year in various metros, but the only one exhibition which we have been able to completely focus on a particular theme is this exhibition, which we named it as a DEFCON. And the kind of response, the kind of enthusiasm, the kind of participation by the micro, small and medium enterprises, the support that we have got from the Ministry of Defense and other stakeholders, the interest shown by the buyers, the public sector corporations, the defense PSUs particularly, is remarkable and gives us a lot of encouragement to in fact carry on this exercise, this work in future also. Looking at the prospects of this this particular upcoming, forthcoming business prospects in the defense sector, I feel that in the years to come we shall be able to build upon further on this effort, and we'll invite more and more international participation so that this can really become an international event in the years to come. Well, I would like to briefly read 2 paras from the recently issued Defense Purchase Policy, that is Defense Production Policy. It is very relevant to this organization of the exhibition. The government will endeavor to build up a robust indigenous defense industrial base by proactively encouraging larger involvement of the Indian private sector in design, development and manufacture of defense equipments. Towards this end, efforts would be made in progressively identifying and addressing any issue which impacts or has the potential of impacting the competitiveness of the Indian defense industry in comparison to foreign companies. In order to synergize and enhance the national competence in producing state-of-the-art defense equipments, weapon systems and platforms within the price lines and timelines that are globally competitive, all viable approaches such as formation of consortia, joint ventures and public-private partnerships, etc. within the government-approved framework will be undertaken. Now, we never knew that what NSICs and the Ministry of MSMEs already started, it is going to be incorporated by the Ministry of Defense also in the Defense Production Policy. It completely in sync with the programs that Ministry of MSME and NSIC have already been implementing. Let me draw your attention to a few key words of the policy. It says, endeavor to build up robust indigenous defense industrial base by proactively encouraging larger involvement of the Indian private sector in design, development and manufacture of defense equipments. Now this is the supply side, which the Ministry of Defense as well as the Ministry of MSME through different programs has initiated. Ministry of MSME has been running a number of programs in order to build capacity of the small and medium enterprises so that they can really become competent enough not only to produce but produce with quality and also compete in terms of the pricing as compared to the global pricing. This is supply side. And the other side, it says, in order to synergize and enhance the national competence in producing state-of-the-art defense equipments, weapon system platforms within the price lines and timelines that are globally competitive. These are very key words. Globally competitive, price lines, timelines, and also the quality aspects. Now, that is what exactly NSIC has been doing. And this is one of the various programs that NSIC has implemented. Now, our job to bring the potential MSME suppliers, the prospective buyers who are looking for a capacity in the SME sector, and other stakeholders at one place here by holding this program and by organizing this buyer-seller meets and exhibition exactly meets the same objective which the defense production policy has envisaged. Now, in addition to individual capacity building of the small industries, we have also thought of building consortia, supplying inputs in terms of raw materials, in terms of credit, in terms of other support services, and also the technical assistance, so that a coordinated approach to building the capacities of these SME sector in coming up to the expectations of the defense buyers can be developed. And these are the programs which NSIC